As you know, to usually delete an app, all you have to do is touch and hold on the app, and the drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down menu, you have to select Remove App and then Confirm. Keep in mind that this takes a while, and if you want to delete multiple apps at a time, to ensure that the process goes by quicker, is there a way? Something you can try to speed up the process is to hold and click on an empty space on your phone, and all the apps are going to start wiggling. Now, on the top left corner of each app, you have this little gray X icon that you can click and instantly bring up the deletion prompt, as usual or as you would do by holding down on individual apps. After you delete an app this way, the gray X button will remain there, and so you can click on multiple apps at a time with much easier time. Sadly, as of today, Apple does not allow users to mass delete apps with one click. You cannot select multiple apps and delete them with one deletion prompt, but this way it speeds up the process and makes it go by much quicker. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that there is no way to delete multiple apps with one click. I hope the method I presented helps you fix your issue. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.